Hi, Circus After Schoolers.
It's me, Lex, from Bindlesliff Circus After School in East Village in Manhattan. And today I'm going to show you how to make one of these handmade balancing feathers. But before that, we're going to talk about responsibility. Responsibility is all about having a duty. It's the ability to independently make decisions and actions on your own without anyone having to tell you to do it. So, say you have a chore to wash the dishes or to clean your room. If you're responsible, you'll do it on your own without having anyone to tell you. Or if you know you have to feed your dog or your cat or your bird or your animal, it's the ability to, feed them or take care of them without someone telling you that you have to. It's my responsibility to make sure I have enough room to practice balancing. So I came outside where I have a lot of space to move around and not knock anything over or break anything. With that being said, I think that it's time to go inside and make one of my handmade balancing feathers. So let's go. So this is what you're going to need to make your handmade balancing feather. So what I used was 7 pieces of construction paper. You can use any colors you want, but I decided to use rainbow colors here. And I got a pair of scissors, and I got a roll of tape. And we'll use that right at the end. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to take your 7 pieces of paper, put them all together. Oops. And what we're going to do is you're going to roll them up one by one. So watch this. You're going to start off really small with your first piece of paper. Nice and small. I'm going to roll it right up. You're going to see it's going to get a little uneven. You're just going to tap it down so it's even. Then, you're going to face the seam down because that's going to be the easiest way to roll it up. You're going to take the next piece of paper and roll it up right over it. Like so. Here we go. Easy peasy. And then you're gonna make that even as well. Then, next page. And it's gonna get a little bit harder to keep it together as you go on, but just keep at it. We're on green, now we're on yellow. Okay, now line it up. Here we go. Oops. Nice and even. We're almost there. Red. Make sure it's all tucked in there. And then last but not least, our pink page. Okay, here we go. All right. And so once you get this here and you make it nice and even, it's gonna look like this. And then you're gonna get your tape and tape along the edges. Okay, here we go. Tape right here. I would say maybe 2 or 3 pieces of tape. Whoops. Okay, here we go. Okay, and one more right for the middle. Great. Okay, so we have this long tube here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your scissors, and you're gonna cut little tassels here. So I'll show you. And it's gonna be a little hard, but you're gonna have to. Okay, here's one. I'm just gonna double check that one. Here you go. Do another one here. You can do them about 1 centimeter apart. Okay, I'm gonna do 2 more. And that'll just make little tassels along your little tube here. Okay. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your finger, put it in the tube here, and you're gonna pull them out one by one. So here's your red. Once your red is a little ways out, about 2/3 of the way out, then you're gonna pull your orange out. And this is if you're doing a rainbow, but here we go. Now try your yellow. And then your green. Oh, where's the green? Here it is. Your green. And your blue. And your purple. And then you're gonna flay out your little tassels here so that it looks nice and festive. Woohoo. Woohoo. And after you do that, you fluff up all your tassels, then you have a cool little stick to balance with. How about that? So, thanks for watching. Make sure you check in every Monday and Wednesday for new videos, new skills, new crafts, new tips and tricks that you can do at home that are circus related. And make sure you subscribe and hit the notifications bell to get notifications on when you'll see our new next videos. And yeah, that's it. So thanks for coming. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.